In a quiet village, there lived two childhood friends, Arav and Rohan. They grew up playing together, studying together, and even dreaming together. But as they grew older, their lives began to look very different. Rohan became a brilliant student, winning awards in school, while Arav was an average learner who preferred drawing and crafting things with his hands. Slowly, Arav began to compare himself with Rohan. Every time Rohan topped an exam, Arav felt smaller. Every time Rohan was praised, Arav heard an unspoken sentence in his mind: "You are not enough." Years passed, and after graduation, Rohan moved to the city for a high-paying corporate job. Arav stayed in the village, running a small shop where he repaired furniture and made beautiful wooden art pieces. But deep inside, Arav always thought, "If only I were like Rohan, my life would be better." One summer, Rohan returned to the village for a short vacation. Seeing his friend, Arav tried to hide his insecurity, but it was clear in his eyes. That evening, sitting by the riverbank, Arav finally spoke. "Rohan, I feel like I have wasted my life. Look at you. You are successful, rich, respected. And here I am, just repairing chairs and tables. I feel like I am nothing compared to you." Rohan looked at Arav for a long time before speaking. "Our lives are not a race on the same track. They are completely different journeys. If you keep looking at my lane, you will trip in your own. Do you know the funny thing? In the city, with all my money, sometimes I wish I had your peaceful life here." Those words hit Arav's heart like lightning. He realized he had been measuring his worth with someone else's ruler. From that day on, Arav stopped comparing himself to anyone. He poured his heart into his craft, learned new designs. People from cities began ordering his furniture, and his small shop became a well-known brand. Years later, Arav stood in front of a group of young students giving a talk. He said, "Never compare your life to someone else's. A mango tree will never grow roses, but that does not mean the mango is less valuable. The sun and the moon shine at different times, yet both are needed. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself, not a copy of someone else. Remember this: comparison is the thief of joy. The only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday."